having a bit of a nightmare. Walked quite far now. First spot I got to, there was too many people there already, which was quite a hidden spot. I was surprised. Got to Helvellyn. Too windy for a tarp. Up down onto Red Tarn. Again, too busy. A good 10-15 tents there and more rocking up, and it was very windy as well. So now heading down, basically completing my route. Gonna find somewhere near the bottom to camp. If not, I'm just gonna drive home, but we'll see what happens. Still got plenty of daylight for now. I'm gonna call it no wild camping tonight. The weather is just grey and uninspiring, and all the spots I could have gone at they just weren't doing it for me. I don't need to prove I can camp to myself. I know I can do that. It's still been a good walk, good experience. I know what kit's gonna work and what's not for next week in the Alps. That was the main purpose of this trip, so I'm pretty happy with that. But for now, I'm gonna go back to the car, get a pint and go home. So I will see you at the car.